Hello everybody and welcome to this Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Steve Tulk and I'm going to be talking to you about empowering your students to be more successful writers in English. It's a masterclass that's ideal for all ELT teachers, regardless of level or age of your students. You'll find something in this masterclass for you, I'm sure. We're going to be looking at three different ways or three different areas in which you can empower your students to make them more successful. And we're going to be looking at why our students aren't so successful and what's holding our students back. It's a really great session, and this masterclass is perfect for you if you teach writing skills to your students.